30 travel gadgets that actually earn their spot in your bag. No junk you'll leave in a drawer, just the finds seasoned travelers swear by. Let's get into it. This toiletry bag fixes the part of travel where every bottle ends up in one messy pile. The wide main compartment fits larger grooming items, while elastic loops and mesh pockets keep smaller essentials from rolling around. A separate PVC-lined pocket gives wet items or possible leaks their own space, and the water-resistant canvas exterior handles bathroom splashes. Packing a sun hat usually means crushing the brim or wearing it through the entire airport. These 6 clips give it another option. Attach one to a suitcase handle, tote, or backpack strap, then use the metal clasp to hold the hat outside your bag. An anti-slip design helps the clip grip withat taking up luggage space, and the multicolor set makes it easy to share. This travel backpack keeps shoes, wet clothes, and tech from sharing the same messy compartment. The main section opens wide for packing clothes, while separate areas hold shoes, damp towels, a tablet, and up to a 14-inch laptop. There's also a rear zip pocket for items you want closer to your back. The exterior USB port connects to your own power bank inside, so you can charge while walking. This travel pillow is shaped to support more than just the back of your neck. Its raised memory foam sides and front chin support help keep your head from tipping around when you doze off upright, while an adjustable drawstring changes how snugly it wraps. The soft outer cover can be removed for washing, and the pillow compresses into its travel bag between trips. This laundry bag doesn't just separate dirty clothes, it squeezes the extra air out too. Load it with worn shirts, gym gear, or a wet swimsuit, roll the top down, and clip the buckle shut. Then press the bag to push air through its one-way valve, with no pump needed. The waterproof nylon and sealed seams help contain moisture inside. Toss the compressed bundle into your suitcase and keep the clean half of your packing untouched. These compression cubes keep a suitcase organized and squeeze bulky clothes into cleaner stacks. The 6-piece set includes 2 large cubes, 2 smaller cubes, a slim tube for socks or underwear, and a separate laundry bag. Each cube uses a second zipper to compress the packed section, while mesh panels let you spot what's inside without opening everything. This toiletry bag unfolds into a hanging bathroom organizer, which is ideal when the hotel counter gives you almost no space. A 360-degree swivel hook hangs it from a towel bar or door, while 4 compartments separate bottles, brushes, makeup, and smaller accessories. Elastic straps keep full-size containers standing upright, and a transparent pocket makes the tiny stuff easier to spot. Dramamine Less Drowsy is the version you actually want, because the original knocks half the car out cold before the trip even starts. Winding roads, a cruise deck, the back seat on a road trip, that's where somebody always goes green. This is the less drowsy formula, so the box says you get relief without spending the whole drive asleep. This oversized waterproof pouch fits phones up to 10 inches, even with many protective cases still attached. The clear front lets you use the touchscreen above water, while the transparent back leaves the camera uncovered for pool, beach, or kayak shots. You get 2 pouches with adjustable neck straps, and the listing rates them IPX8 for water protection. These paper-thin mint strips are what you carry when gum, mints, or travel mouthwash feel like too much. Place one on your tongue, and it dissolves almost instantly, with no chewing, bottle, or water required. This pack includes 3 pocket-sized cases with 24 cool mint strips in each, so you can split them between a bag, desk, and suitcase. Use one after coffee or a long flight, then slide the tiny case back into your pocket. These aren't loose pocket tissues that end up crushed at the bottom of your bag. Each compact pack has a hard snap-shut lid that keeps the opening covered between uses, so the next tissue stays ready when you need it. You get 4 travel packs with 25 3-ply tissues in each, sized for purses, backpacks, glove boxes, or carry-ons. Toss one beside your travel essentials, then handle a runny nose or spilled drink without hunting for a full box. This pocket fan is not much taller than a deck of cards, but it doesn't have to stay in your hand. The body folds open into a small desktop stand, so you can aim it across an office desk, airplane tray, or makeup counter. One button cycles through 3 speeds, and the rechargeable battery tops up through USB-C. At just over 5 ounces, it slips into a purse or carry-on, then stands beside you when the room feels stuffy. These vacuum bags solve the annoying part of packing for the return trip when everything somehow takes up more room. The set includes 15 reusable travel-size bags and a compact cordless pump that recharges by USB. Load in clothes, close the double zipper, open the valve, and let the pump pull out the trapped air. The semi-transparent material still shows what's inside. This 7-slot dispenser replaces a row of bulky vitamin bottles with one compact organizer. Rotate the top until the opening lines up with the compartment you need, then tip out the contents through the wide mouth. Tight gaps beneath the lid help keep each section from mixing, and the included blank labels make everything easier to identify. This compact 10,000 mAh power bank includes a short detachable USB-C cable, so a damaged cord doesn't turn the whole charger into e-waste. It delivers up to 45 watts to compatible phones and tablets, while the USB-C port handles both input and output. The smaller body fits more easily into a travel pouch, and the listed capacity stays within typical airline carry-on limits. The MyHalos sleep mask has 3D molded cups, so it blacks out the light without pressing on your eyes or crushing your lashes the way a flat mask does. Anyone who sleeps on their side knows the regular flat masks slide up your face and let a bright stripe of morning light right in. This one has contoured memory foam that leaves room to blink, a full blackout seal around the nose, and a strap that adjusts without grabbing your hair. This 4-foot cable replaces 3 separate chargers in your travel pouch. Choose either its USB-A or USB-C input, then connect an Apple Watch to the magnetic puck, an older iPhone to the Lightning plug, and a USB-C device to the third branch. It can power all 3 at once when paired with a suitable adapter, though it's built for charging only, not data or CarPlay. Cliganic's mosquito bands are DEET-free, so you skip the greasy chemical spray and just wear the repellent instead. Bug spray means coating your kids and yourself in something that smells awful and rubs off on everything you touch. These are stretchy bracelets infused with plant oils like citronella, geraniol, and lemongrass, one size that fits a kid's wrist or an adult's ankle. These stretchy silicone sleeves add a second barrier around bottles that like to leak inside your luggage. Pull one over the cap and neck of a shampoo, lotion, or travel-sized toiletry bottle, and the snug elastic layer helps contain drips if the lid loosens in transit. They're reusable, washable, and compact enough to leave in your toiletry bag between trips. These clear drawstring bags keep the bottoms of your shoes away from the clothes in your suitcase. Each one measures roughly 16 by 12 inches, giving sneakers or most everyday footwear their own lightweight cover. The transparent material shows which pair is inside, and the drawstring closes quickly without a zipper. You get 5, so extras can hold dirty laundry or toiletries. This travel blanket packs into its own case, and the packed case doubles as a pillow when you don't need the full blanket. Open it up for a 65 by 40-inch jacquard fleece layer across your lap and shoulders, then fold it back inside after landing. The case has a luggage sleeve for sliding over a suitcase handle and a metal clip for backpacks. This compact hard-shell case puts 150 basic first aid pieces into a kit small enough for a glove box or backpack. Inside are assorted bandages, gloves, scissors, and tweezers, arranged in separate sections so you can reach the simple stuff quickly. The red EVA case measures about 6.5 inches long and includes a carabiner for hanging. This lighted mirror folds nearly flat for travel, then opens into its own tabletop stand when the hotel lighting is terrible. The 8 by 6-inch glass rotates 360 degrees, letting you set the viewing angle without stacking it against toiletries. Tap the touch control for the light and hold it to adjust brightness. A built-in 1200 mAh battery keeps it cordless and recharges with the included USB-C cable. This 8-piece set gives everything in your suitcase a specific place instead of one giant clothing pile. 4 mesh-topped cubes handle outfits in different sizes, while separate bags isolate shoes, laundry, toiletries, and small accessories. The clear mesh lets you spot what's inside, and the larger cubes include buckle straps to keep folded clothes from shifting. This slim envelope replaces the bulky detergent jug with 30 pre-measured laundry sheets. Tear off half for a regular load, use more when the hamper gets serious, and drop it straight into the drum before adding clothes. The concentrated sheet dissolves in hot or cold water and works with standard or high-efficiency machines. Because there's no liquid to measure or spill, it also slips neatly into a suitcase or laundromat bag. Ever walked into a public restroom and found an empty soap dispenser? These pocket-sized cases make that problem much less annoying. Each one holds 100 dry soap sheets with orange, tea tree, and lavender scents across the 3-pack. Take one out with dry hands, add water, and it dissolves into a lather for washing. Keep a case in your carry-on, backpack, or glove box, and you've got soap without carrying a leaky bottle. What if your travel bottles had their own hard-shell case? This compact kit holds 4 reusable 2-ounce containers in separate slots, so shampoo, conditioner, lotion, and cleanser stay upright and organized. The semi-transparent bottles have wide openings for easier refilling and checking what's left, while secure caps add another layer of spill protection. There's nothing glamorous about getting food stuck in your teeth halfway through a trip, but this set makes the fix easy to keep nearby. You get 240 mint floss picks divided among 4 reusable travel cases, so one can live in your toiletry bag, desk, car, or backpack. The smooth floss is designed to slide between teeth without shredding easily, and the pointed end doubles as a toothpick. A makeup bag isn't very helpful when every product disappears at the bottom. This structured organizer opens flat, giving you a full view of its 5 compartments instead of forcing you to dig around. The 3-piece set includes 2 removable pouches for separating makeup, skincare, or smaller toiletries, while the Wipe Clean vegan leather handles bathroom counter splashes. This mini umbrella is small enough to live in your bag instead of being left at home when the forecast looks fine. It folds to about 7 inches, weighs under half a pound, and opens into a 35-inch canopy for quick rain or sun coverage. The fabric is listed as UPF 50+, and the quick draw case has a carabiner for clipping onto a backpack. Keep it attached for commutes, theme parks, or sudden afternoon showers.